What are you doing, Levi?
Giving the puppies a bath. Oh, the soap. You got the puppy soap all over you? Oh, yes. You alright? Now we're gonna wash the soap off because you're scraggly.
She likes it more than taco.
No, she doesn't. She's gonna get out quicker.
Isabel! Isabel! You're a good girl. Be a good girl. Isabel!